Then click on Open Flow. Make sure the website stays running in the background. Here, you can see multiple videos and projects running. The quality is extremely high and shows realistic faces and scenes. Also, the credits in this account never expire, which means you can create unlimited videos without any limits. First, navigate to the official website. Once you're here, click on the Create Account button. Now, enter your name, add your email address, and create a strong password. Then agree to the terms and conditions and click on Create Account. Once your account is created, simply log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will see that your login has been successful. Now, as you can see, there is a 30-day plan available for 899 rupees. Simply select this plan to continue. You can pay using Razor Pay, Paytm QR, or any UPI method. I recommend using Razor Pay because it provides instant approval. Click on Razor Pay and select Create Order. The Razor Pay interface will open. Enter your mobile number and choose your preferred payment method such as UPI, credit card, or debit card. Once your payment is successful, your account will be approved within a few seconds. After that, simply refresh the page. After refreshing, your plan will appear as active. Now click on the Download Extension button. The extension file is very small and will download quickly. Now click on the three dots in Chrome, go to Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. Make sure to turn on Developer Mode from the top right corner. Now drag and drop the downloaded extension file here to install it. Once installed, go back to the website and refresh the page. You will now see an extension button next to the download button. Click on the extension button and select the Wakanda Creative extension. Then click on Open Flow. Make sure the website stays running in the background. Here, you can see multiple videos and projects running. The quality is extremely high and shows realistic faces and scenes. Also, the credits in this account never expire, which means you can create unlimited videos without any limits.